Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we are with the G himself. Artist of them all right now, himself. Valiant. Father Dippo. Father. The brand new one called Rasta. Yeah. So we see him preview that one upon him in TikTok and him Instagram. Him have a method. A method of work. So him a work with it. So every song him a go drop. You feel like we know it or we know the first line before him drop it. So this is the case in this one. We know the first line and I say, man I move like Rasta. Yeah? So we're gonna jump to the one and hear the rest of the song and hear the G say. So let's go! Valiant, Rasta, let's go.
Country hat music.
What is he saying?
Country, big up.
What?
Rhythm band.
Yo, Miller weed.
Mill. Pack up, big up yourself, BG. Man, I move.
Live like Rasta.
Yeah.
No beef, no pasta.
Alright. So the first line, where me see enough people get it wrong. When them say, man, I move like Rasta. No beef, no passa. Mean passa. No beef, no passa, no mix up. People think say it mean pasta. Because him say beef, them say a pasta. And a pasta, a passa. You understand? So, man I move like Rasta. No beef, no passa. You understand? No mix up. Yeah, him live clean, is it?
What?
Yo, country. Yo, Miller weed. Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Here Force white dog snap that. Fuck them gal, don't need Viagra.
Naturally I fuck them gal. Clean with it. Yeah. Air Force white dogs, not that. You know? Yeah. Fuck them gal, brother. We don't need no bumper Viagra. Naturally young. Back strong. Yeah.
Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Here Force white dog snap that. Fuck them gal, don't need Viagra.
No.
Come looking at my Gucci. I'm a kind of mood this.
It's a mood, yeah?
Come smoothie. So she know me a dog, me a Cupid. Get the cup, I'ma get Alicia more rum.
Get the cup, let me give Alicia more rum. Give me a cup, man. Give me a cup. And a rum talk. Let me give Alicia more rum. That's it.
I'm a kind of mood this. Uptown girl drink come smoothie. So she know me a dog, me a Cupid. Get the cup, I'ma get Alicia more rum.
Rum.
Booze. Chain bust down. Nice dog, me never yet.
Boy, night shot. That's the night shot. Look at myself, my fam.
You know me a dog, me a Cupid. Get the cup, I'ma get Alicia more rum. Booze. Chain bust down. Nice dog, me never yet drunk. But a girl full of eyes with her tongue. Hey, how
Deep dry, craft.
alone sense stinky dear pa me.
Yeah.
I hype and a pose with broke Barbie. Still a chopping line, so enough charges.
Stop hype and post with broke Barbie. So what did the man say, yo, these boys ain't got no Barbies. Man tell us say, yo, it can't be a broke Barbie. So all that girl them out there think say, yo, oh no, I gotta just be Barbie and being a Barbie is just to be a woman looking nice. No, you have to work out where you want to. So you want an independent Barbie. You understand? No broke Barbie, brother.
Nice dog, me never yet drunk. But a girl full of eyes with her tongue. Hey, how that
I see Javelin a while ago too. Javelin.
But a girl full of eyes with her tongue.
Yeah, Javelin them there. Deep dry. I can't say how this pan thing there. I think how this anomaly this. How this when next one we Clash Mali thing. Can't remember name.
Hey, how that a stare pa me. Alone sense stinky dear pa me. I hype and a pose with broke Barbie. Still a chopping line, so enough charges. Man, I live like Rasta.
Aye.
No. Here Force white dog snap that. Fuck them gal, don't need Viagra. Look how me looking at my Gucci. I'm a kind of
Y'all the one them get the dance from TikTok.
no beef, no pasta. No. Here Force white dog snap that. Fuck them gal, don't need Viagra. Look how me looking at my Gucci. I'm a kind of mood this. Uptown girl drink come smoothie. So she know me a dog, me a Cupid.
Yo, let me just stop this and say this. But like all the young artists, the young generation, them a link up together. Even though you have some man a link and some man a deal. But like how you see everybody, like them youth all of them video, I support him. You understand them I say? Yeah, me like that, bro. Me like that.
You never know Babsy and me auntie.
But them want ban me. You never know Babsy and me auntie. So Babsy Granger and auntie must say so. As she responsible for entertainment, so you don't know say you can't ban me. Where you gonna ban me? Where?
Girl drink come smoothie. So she know me a dog, me a Cupid.
But them want.
You never know Babsy and me auntie.
Eh?
Want me start the antics and show some
Javilan.
badness. I me change up the game just admit. Some flow with drag you like magnet. That only
I me change up the gear. The game. That's true. That's true. You know, say you have a generation where the game changed. Like what that one artist do it. So in the 2000s, we say Cartel do it. We say Vada come do it same in 2005. We say Alkaline them come do it in 2011 them time there. We say Massacre them do it same way. We say Valiant now the runner for the new school I do it. So yo, yeah dog. Facts. Never know Babsy and me auntie.
Want me start the antics and show some artists badness.
That fuck
the game just admit. Some flow with drag you like magnet. That only I'ma call up some bad bitch. Cause some ego makes you drop her panty fast. Man I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. No. Here force white dog snap that fuck. Them gal don't need Viagra. Look how me looking at my Gucci. I'm a kind of mood this. Uptown girl drink come smoothie. So she know me a dog, me a Cupid.
I go find out the artist name before me end it.
Man I live like Rasta.
Yeah.
Man up.
What?
Jack him out again and tell you.
Alright, one more time.
No, yo, listen,
Ready, go.
I'm a Rasta.
Listen what we are saying.
Like Rasta.
When I live like Rasta.
Man up.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Man I live like Rasta.
Pablo YG. Pablo YG. Pablo YG. Sorry, say me never get your name right now the first time, but a Pablo YG. So thanks for the correction. Even I put the correction already, but thank you. I'm see the pattern now.
So you know me a dog, me a Cupid.
Bumbo clam.
Go and go.
Man I live like Rasta. Man up. Jack him out again and tell you.
Alright, one more time.
No, yo, listen,
Ready, go.
I'm a Rasta.
Listen what we are saying.
Like Rasta.
When I live like Rasta.
Man up.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Man I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta.
And a pasta, brother. Pasta.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good.
King Cam, big up yourself, my G. You've been putting in the work. You are putting in the work. And it's evident, bro. It's showing, bro. It is showing. So once again, big up Javilan, big up DJ, big up Pablo YG. Which other is artist tonight? Craft. Big up yourself, Craft. You see me? I'm hounded in the comment section to react to some more Craft songs, so I will react to some more Craft song. For the people that must have never react to a Craft song yet, check the channel I have. Anyway, Valley, big up yourself, bro. You are the man at the moment now. A year at a time, you get it and you run with it. You not drop it. Every song you drop, fire. You understand? Yeah. You are a huge inspiration to a lot of young youths out there, and even the older ones them too. They say never give up for your dreams. You see me? Right now, you are the man at the moment. So just go and take it until a next artist come take it over from you, because you don't know, say, before you, a next person was running it. So you don't know, say, right now you are the man. So make use of me, bro, and continue to put it in the work. And continue giving us the hits after hits after hits, bro. Appreciate the work where you put in the G. You see me? Country, big up yourself. Miller Week team, Paco General, them, big up on yourself, dog. You don't know Paco, big up yourself, my fam. King Cam, big up yourself, my G. There. Alright, so this one I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed that one and you want some more, leave a like on the video. Drop a like if you drop a like. Just drop a like on the video. It's free. Also, subscribe around there if it's the first time watching my channel. Alright? Subscribe around there if you're new. The door is always open, man. Big up yourself anyway. Boop, boop, boop.